many criminals commit further crimes after they have been released from prison. What do you think are the causes of this? What possible solutions can you suggest?
Sample answer 1.
In contemporary society, the phenomenon of criminals reoffending after their release from prison is a complex issue that warrants profound analysis. While various factors contribute to this trend, exploring its causes and proposing effective solutions is imperative to mitigate recidivism rates. This essay will delve into the underlying reasons behind repeated criminal behavior and outline viable strategies to address this pressing concern. One prominent cause of recidivism is the inadequacy of rehabilitation programs within correctional facilities. Despite efforts to provide educational, vocational, and therapeutic interventions, these programs often lack effectiveness due to limited resources, inadequate staff training, and overcrowding. Consequently, inmates may not acquire the necessary skills or support systems to reintegrate successfully into society upon release, leading them to revert to criminal activities as a means of survival. Furthermore, socioeconomic factors play a pivotal role in perpetuating recidivism. Many individuals re-entering society from prison face formidable barriers, such as limited access to employment, housing discrimination, and societal stigma. The absence of viable opportunities pushes them back into environments conducive to criminal behavior, exacerbating the cycle of recidivism. Moreover, the psychological impact of incarceration cannot be overlooked. Many inmates experience trauma, substance abuse issues, or mental health disorders that remain unaddressed during their imprisonment. Without adequate psychological support and follow-up care upon release, these individuals are more susceptible to relapse into criminal behavior as a coping mechanism, or due to the lack of alternatives. To tackle recidivism effectively, multifaceted solutions are imperative. Firstly, comprehensive rehabilitation programs within correctional facilities must be prioritized and adequately funded. These programs should focus on equipping inmates with essential life skills, vocational training, and mental health support tailored to their individual needs. Additionally, collaboration between correctional institutions, community organizations, and employers is vital to facilitate smooth reintegration into society post-release. Initiatives such as job training programs, transitional housing assistance, and mentorship schemes can significantly reduce recidivism by providing ex-offenders with tangible support and opportunities for personal growth. Furthermore, addressing the underlying socioeconomic disparities that contribute to recidivism demands systemic reforms. Policies aimed at reducing employment discrimination against ex-offenders, expanding access to affordable housing, and promoting educational opportunities can foster greater social inclusion and diminish the likelihood of individuals resorting to criminal behavior out of desperation. Moreover, prioritizing mental health and substance abuse treatment both during incarceration and upon release is indispensable. Introducing comprehensive mental health screenings, counseling services, and rehabilitation programs within correctional facilities can help address underlying psychological issues and equip individuals with coping mechanisms to navigate life outside prison walls successfully. In conclusion, recidivism is a multifaceted issue stemming from a confluence of factors, including inadequate rehabilitation efforts, socioeconomic disparities, and untreated psychological trauma. By implementing holistic solutions that prioritize rehabilitation, address systemic inequalities, and provide comprehensive support to ex-offenders, society can break the cycle of recidivism and foster a safer, more inclusive community for all. Sample answer 2.
In recent times, the phenomenon of recidivism, where released criminals reoffend, has become a significant concern for societies worldwide. While there are multiple factors contributing to this issue, several solutions can be implemented to mitigate its occurrence. One primary cause of reoffending is the lack of rehabilitation and support systems within the prison system. Often, prisons focus more on punishment rather than rehabilitation, leading inmates to leave with the same or even heightened criminal tendencies. Without adequate programs to address the root causes of their criminal behavior, such as substance abuse, mental health issues, or lack of education and job skills, many former inmates find themselves ill-equipped to reintegrate into society. Moreover, the stigmatization of ex-convicts by society exacerbates the problem. Upon release, many struggle to find employment, housing, and social acceptance due to their criminal record. This societal rejection can push them back towards criminal activities as they feel marginalized and see few legitimate opportunities available to them. Furthermore, the lack of ongoing support and monitoring post-release contributes to recidivism. Once offenders are released, there is often minimal supervision or assistance provided to ensure they stay on the right path. Without guidance and support, it is easy for them to revert to their old habits and criminal networks. To address these issues, several solutions can be considered. Firstly, there needs to be a shift in focus from punitive measures to rehabilitative strategies within the prison system. Implementing comprehensive programs that address the underlying causes of criminal behavior, such as addiction treatment, mental health counseling, and vocational training, can equip inmates with the skills and mindset needed to lead law-abiding lives upon release. Secondly, society must work towards reducing the stigma associated with ex-convicts. Creating awareness campaigns and educational programs to promote understanding and acceptance can help break down barriers and facilitate their successful reintegration into the community. Employers and landlords could also be incentivized to hire and house ex-offenders by offering tax breaks or other benefits. Lastly, establishing robust post-release support systems is crucial. Implementing parole or probation programs with regular check-ins, counseling, and job placement assistance can provide ex-convicts with the necessary support and accountability to help them stay out of trouble. Community-based programs and mentorship initiatives can also play a vital role in helping them rebuild their lives and stay connected to positive influences. In conclusion, the high rates of recidivism among released criminals are a complex issue rooted in systemic failures within the prison system and societal attitudes towards ex-convicts. By prioritizing rehabilitation over punishment, reducing societal stigma, and providing ongoing support and opportunities for former inmates, it is possible to reduce reoffending rates and create safer, more inclusive communities for all.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.